this is a very quick reminder for today's special class on UNACADEMY. Okay, so in the morning at 7 a.m. there was a special class where I am teaching Animal Kingdom. Today it was the second lecture at 7 a.m. So tomorrow also we will be having one special class on UNACADEMY. Okay, the same topic will be covered, that is your Animal Kingdom. And today at 5 p.m. on the YouTube channel of Study Mantra, we will meet where we are going to discuss some very important thing related to the MNS and NEET, as well as in the evening at 6 p.m. from 6 p.m. to 6:35 p.m. on the YouTube channel of UNACADEMY, which is UNACADEMY MNS. I will be live where GS portion is going on, and today I am going to cover first in India. Okay, today I am going to cover first in India in GS section. Okay, on the official YouTube channel of UNACADEMY, which is UNACADEMY MNS. There, that will be a live session, so don't forget to join me live there at 6 p.m. and this session will be there for 6:35 p.m. Okay, from 6 p.m. to 6:35 p.m. half an hour class will be there. इसके बाद you can join me live at night at 9:30 p.m. Okay, you can join me live in the night at 9:30 p.m. from 9:30 to 10:30 p.m. ठीक है, on the UNACADEMY. This is the class where I am discussing articles. Okay, articles कराए जा रहे हैं, तो आज यहाँ पर आर्टिकल्स का थर्ड लेक्चर होने वाला है. ठीक है, तो व्हाट आर दीज स्पेशल क्लासेस? आर दे पेड बैचेस और व्हाट? These special classes are free classes on UNACADEMY for everyone. To get these free classes, what you have to do, you have to download the UNACADEMY Learners app. Whenever you are typing UNACADEMY on your Play Store, you will be getting two apps. Okay, one is UNACADEMY Educator app and another one is UNACADEMY Learners app. So you have to download the UNACADEMY Learners app, then you will log in, okay, on that app and use my educator code to join my special classes. There I am conducting polls and doubt sessions also. Raise hand feature is provided by UNACADEMY on that app. Okay, so several other features are also there which are given by you, given by the UNACADEMY to you, which are very helpful for your preparation, right? So you have to download the UNACADEMY Learners app. Don't forget to use my educator code. My educator code on UNACADEMY is Mansi 1566, where Mansi, M is capital, right? Mansi -1566. This is my educator code over UNACADEMY. So you can use this code to unlock the free classes of mine. ठीक है, भूलिएगा मत. और बहुत जल्दी से क्विक बात करते हैं कि कैसे क्या है. रोज़ सुबह 7 बजे से लेकर 8 बजे तक बायो की क्लास है. स्पेशल क्लास फ्री है सबके लिए. दूसरी बात, रोज़ रात को 9:30 से 10:30 आर्टिकल अभी फ़िलहाल पढ़ा रहे हैं, ये क्लास भी फ्री है सबके लिए. तो सबसे पहले क्या करो, UNACADEMY की लर्नर्स ऐप डाउनलोड करो और मेरी लाइव क्लासेस को स्पेशल क्लासेस से जोड़ना मत भूलो. दूसरी बात, स्टडी मंत्रा पर अगर पहली बार आए हो तो प्लीज़, दैट इज़ माय हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट, यहाँ सफ़र मेरा ख़त्म नहीं हुआ है, अभी तो ये शुरुआत है, मंजिल अभी बाकी है. कहते ना, लो सफ़र शुरू हो गया. ठीक है, तो अभी बहुत सफ़र बाकी है, तय करना है, मंजिल अभी नहीं पाई है. पहली बार आए हो इस चैनल पर तो इसे सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलो और नोटिफिकेशन बेल ज़रूर ऑन करो. साथ ही साथ UNACADEMY MNS जो यूट्यूब चैनल है उसको भी सब्सक्राइब कर लो. वी आर डूइंग आवर बेस्ट, वी आर डूइंग हार्ड वर्क so that you people get success in your exam. Okay, thank you so much everyone. I hope you will join me live at 6 p.m. on UNACADEMY. Okay, thank you, bye bye.